Hey guys, this is the Canon EOS M50 right in front of me. I treat myself to it for Black Friday because I've been shooting with my Galaxy S8, which has been awesome, but it's time to step it up. In the box is the user manuals, the Canon EOS camera strap, the 15-45mm kit lens which I'm looking forward to testing out. You also get the battery, a power cable, and the battery charger to go with it. Oh, I said "and" too soon. And the camera too, obviously. What a beauty. It's got real good grip, so it feels very nice and comfortable to hold, and it's a good size too. It's got a 3-inch LCD flip-out touchscreen, and what I love about it is that you can twist it the other way so you can see yourself whilst recording. So I'll be in front of the camera in future videos. If you wanted to, you can also use it in vertical mode, but it's not something that I do. It's got the standard controls that you'd expect and a hot shoe adapter, which I'll probably use to mount a mic. For ports, the M50 has a micro B USB and a micro HDMI port on one side, and a standard 3.5mm stereo microphone jack on the other. It has a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, and as mentioned earlier, comes with a 15-45mm kit lens, and at the bottom you'll find the standard 1/4-inch tripod socket. I can't wait to try it out. I'm going to shoot some footage with the M50 very soon for you guys to see, so stay tuned.